Okay, so let's come over and have a look at the European indices next this morning. Excuse me, let's go over here. And messy price action this morning in everything. So the German DAX, it started out quite reasonably well off the early morning low, and all it's done is consolidated since then. It's pretty much gone sideways, as you can see here. I'm looking for this fifth up in the diagonal, but after a move lower first. I was looking for a slightly higher B wave than we've seen, and then a move down to one of these fibs down here for a 4, and then an A, B, C up for a fifth. Nothing's changed to suggest that's not what we're going to get, but it's just messy, so there's nothing to trade here at this point in time in the DAX. The FTSE, similar thing, it's been stronger than the DAX this morning, but I'm still betwixt and between counts. I think we've got 5 in here as a diagonal up in the FTSE, and what we've got is an A down to the 50% retrace. This is a B up, and we're going to drop a little lower, either against this or against all of this. And I've blessed the FTSE for keeping the patterns messy. I can't tell which until we see one hit and hold and then take this top out. But if we hold the higher set of fibs and move up, I think it would simply be as the 5 in a slightly larger diagonal off the bottom, as opposed to a 3 up. So then be looking for the bigger retrace in the FTSE after that.